back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to create and manage values in product value sets. In product value set, if you see, we are maintaining two level of parents. One is total products and the other is 7-seater cars and 4-seater cars. Anything that is parent, you should set the summary flag to yes. And let us go to system to see how to define this. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, set up financials. Now search for the task called manage chart of accounts, value set values. Hit search. Now open the task manage chart of accounts value set values. Now search for your value set. Xx underscore ERPZEN. Hit search. Now you can see the product value set. Select it and click on manage values. Now hit create. Now 0001 total products. If you set the summary flag to yes, that means it is a parent value. 1000 7-seater car. If you set summary as yes, it is a parent value. Now under 7-seater car, we will define child values. 1001 CNG car. Set the summary flag to no since it is a child value. 1002 diesel car. Set the summary flag to no since it is a child value. 1003 petrol car. Set the summary flag to no since it is a child value. Now default. Set the summary flag to no since it is a child value. Why we use default? When we are not charging to any of these child values, that is where defaults come into picture. So that is the reason why we will use the default value. Default value means we are not charging against any other product. Now click on create. Now 2000 4-seater car. Set the summary flag to yes since it is a parent value. Now 2001 same CNG car. Set the summary flag to no since it is a parent child value. Now we will differentiate it to 4-seater CNG car. 002 4-seater petrol car. Since it is a child value, set the summary flag to no. 2003 4-seater diesel car. Set the summary flag to no since it is a child value. Now create. Already we have created a default. So this is how you can differentiate. Now let us discuss about the start date. The start date. If start date is blank, that can be used for any other transaction, even for past transactions as well. For example, if we set start date as today, and if you want to book any backdated transactions, system will not allow you to create the transaction, since you are telling to system that you have to use this value only and after today, on and after today. I click on save and close, save, save and close. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, click on subscribe and share this and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.